Hey. Are you here to ask about the homework assignment?
Do you have plans this weekend?
I'm thinking we should talk about the homework assignment.
So you do have plans?
I don't.
Okay. Well, there's this opening at the gallery where my mom works, and I promised I'd help out. So if you're free...
Do you think that's wise? Hanging with you and your folks, a parent-teacher conference over free wine.
Okay, fine. It's a bad idea. What if we met up afterwards? I could tell him I'm going to Noel Khan's party.
Maybe you should. Go to the party.
Why would I want to do that?
So your classmates don't suspect you've lost interest in your peers?
Too late.
Ezra, oh, sorry, excuse me.
No, it's fine. Come in, Mrs. Welsh. So are we clear about the homework assignment?
Yes, totally. If I have any questions, I'll reach out to you.
Great.
Thank you, Mr. Fitz.
Byron?
Hey. Hey, how you doing?
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, that's okay. Aria, this is Meredith Sorensen. She also teaches in the department, my department, and this is Aria, my daughter.
Oh, Aria. Hi, of course you are. Did you get my message?
Yes, I did, and I'm sorry I haven't had a chance to call you back.
That's okay. They just need the referral by Monday, and...
I'll get to it as soon as I get back to campus. Is there an email, or...?
Here. So how does it feel to be home? This town must seem a little dull after spending a whole year overseas.
Not really.
Okay, well, I'll send that before lunch.
Thanks. I'm so glad I ran into you. Nice to meet you. Welcome home.
Why can't she graduate?
She has, I told you. She's now a teaching assistant. Not mine, but her office is across the hall. I can't pretend like she doesn't exist, Aria. It's a small college.
Not small enough.
Hey. I thought you were helping out at the gallery.
I was. Can I come in?
I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
I'm sorry. This was a mistake. I shouldn't have come here. I just didn't know where else to go. I'll see you on Monday.
No, wait. Are you okay? Do you need me to drive you home?
It's the last place I want to be.
Why? What happened?
Can we just be here for a minute?
Closer to you, closer to you.